What is up, folks? Welcome back to the show. It's finally like decently warm. It's a little windy, but it's like 65. I can live with that. So I brought everything, and I've got my bass rods, I've got my bow, I've got the noodles. We're just gonna put out a whole bunch of stuff. I plan on bass fishing mostly. I do want to get a couple small little brim, chop them up, put them on the noodles. I'm going to put the noodles out here, and then I'm probably also going to end up down on those flats with my bow where I missed all those carp previously. I just a big carp right there. He's got this whole thing stirred up. Was right in front of him. He's a big old boy. All right, there's a big one right there. I need to get close to him. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Just want to get one because I want to chop it up for catfish bait. I definitely want to get a carp used for bait. I want a bass fish. I want to put the noodles out. So I just brought everything. I got it all. So if I sink, I'm just losing everything today. Anyway, let's see if we're doing any good. Stay tuned. All right, first things first. Look at all them bugs on that stick. First things first. We need to get some bait for these noodles. So we need to pick us up a couple little bluegill. And we're not gonna do it by doing that. What the heck happened? There's one. Alright, so the other one, you'll work. Now, we got our two victims right here. We're gonna get these guys cut in half and put on some hooks. Don't need a tail. There we go. Right, so you can see there, one there, one there, one there, and one down there. So this whole flat all through here is about 10 to 15 foot deep. So these shouldn't get hung up on anything. So I just kind of put them out here in an area, and I'm just gonna let them float. And we'll see if anything picks them up as they make their way down through here. I'm gonna go now get rid of this rod because I don't need it anymore, and we're gonna go do some bass fishing. Uh-oh, I think I got a fish, y'all. Look, my noodle. I hadn't even made it back past him yet. Oh, that is hilarious. My first fish off a noodle. Oh, he came off as soon as I picked it up. Oh, look at that. He wasn't even hooked, I don't think. Oh man. Well, that's lame. Yeah, you laughing at me? Whatever. Got a couple different color chatterbaits. I got a white one and this green one. I'm in 4 foot of water. Water temperature here is 64 degrees. There he is. There we go. Ain't a lot, but it's a start. This guy off camera, but there's a little smallmouth right here. Pretty little guy. Caught both of them. White chatterbait here with a pearl trailer on it. Just like so. It's got a lot of water displacement. These chatterbaits really make a disturbance in the water, and then that paddle tail on the back of it's got a little thump to it. Little guy after it. There he is. He's got it. He's got it. He let it go. All right, this is where we're at. So we've seen a little bit of fish activity. Nothing too crazy. But the sun is gonna start going down here in a few minutes, so I'm gonna pause from the bass fishing and try to go get one of these carp before I run out of time, or before the sun's not in a good spot and I can't see them. So we will resume bass fishing after I hopefully get one of these carp, or I run them all out, one or the other. So that's where we're heading. We're heading downriver. We're gonna go to that flat and see if I can't pick one off. Looks like they pulled that RV that I got on my other video that was stuck there. Looks like they just drug it out and drug it up there. Look at that. Well, scratch the bow fishing plan. I get all the way down here and I realized that apparently somewhere along the way that broke. So no bow fishing. Let's get back to bass fishing. Oh, it was a good one. Oh, daggone it. it has been kind of a lousy day. Like the bow broke, or not the bow, the knock on the arrow broke. So I got to replace that. We caught some dink bass, missed one good one. The only hope we got left is maybe one of these jugs down here has got a catfish on it. So I'm back up on the level where they are, and as I head back toward the truck, I'm gonna pick them up along the way, and we'll see if we did anything. All right, we go. Jug number 1 doesn't look too promising. Something's been on it, but it didn't hook it. Uh-oh. Like a freaking charm. All right. That'll do it. Well, this has officially hooked something down there. Oh, it's got a fish on it too. Daggone it. This fish has got it wrapped around this tree. There we go. Well, we got it off. He's a little small. He's been down there wearing himself out. He's a little. We're gonna let him go. Going out of here. All right. We got one more over there. All right, last one. Up. Oh, it's a stick. All right. Okay, so of the 4 noodles, 2 had fish. One had that little channel, one had that decent sized blue. Got the blue in my kayak. I've got one of them still had a piece of bait on it. So I'm gonna go reset it, start it all the way back up here, and let it chill out there while I load up everything. Because I really don't want to just take one fish home. So I'm gonna put this guy I got a fish basket in the back of my truck. So if I can take 2 home, then I'll clean them and they'll be worth it. But if it's just gonna be 1, I don't feel like getting the cutting board and the knives and sharpening everything and messing and fooling and then having guts just for 1 fish. So this guy might live to see another day, or he might not. All right, we are back. Got the kayak here, truck's there, little dude's chilling in the water right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this loaded up, give that guy a few minutes, probably, I don't know, 30 minutes or so to soak, and then I'm gonna go check it, and then if I've got another one, we're gonna take them home and clean them. If not, I'm probably gonna let that guy go as being a good sport for being my very first jug catfish. Oh. Yep, bait's gone now. Something grabbed it. Alright, well, looks like little dude back there in the basket's gonna live to see another day. Well, that looks like it's a wrap for us. I'm gonna go let this catfish go and go to the house and get me something to eat. Hey, I hope you enjoyed watching. This was my first time ever being out jug fishing, so it was exciting for me. The bass fishing was not so exciting because we didn't really do anything, and the bow fishing was non-existent. But it was not a wasted day. So, hey, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so you'll know when I'm doing new stuff. So, I'm gonna probably experiment some more with this jug fishing thing. I might make a couple really long ones and drop them down in that 30-foot hole, make them like 20 foot or something, and put them in that really deep stuff. I don't know. Might be fun. Who knows? Who knows what we'll catch? So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Have a great night, and we'll see you next time.